Welcome to this channel, traders. I have made a small update on the mobile strategy that I shared before. So I'm going to be showing you how to trade it now, and I'm going to show you how I took each and every of these trades using that strategy. So maybe we can just start by setting up the indicators that we have. I know that some have just joined. Let me just remove everything like this. Okay, on a clean screen like this, let's start by inserting the RSI. So you go to that function up there. Okay, so you click there and then here, relative strength index. The period is one applied to close. You only have to set these levels. Okay, and after setting these levels, you go back and click done. So you should have this. And then secondly, let's go to the F function again, and then you go to indicator window 1, this one. That is where you click and then you select envelopes right here. The period is 1, shift 0, deviation 0. Method is exponential, applied to close. You just do it like this and then you click done. Okay, our RSI is set now. Let's just add the MACD. That one is easy. You go to the main chart this time around there. So you go there and then MACD right here. Supposed to be the default settings. Okay, you can just press default down there and then you click done. Okay, so it's like this. The entry rules, remember guys, I once talked about the entry rules for the RSI. Right there is very simple. What you do is, for you to buy, you wait for price to come and touch the 9 line level and then to come and close above the 20 line level. That is your first confirmation. For you to sell, you just have to wait for price to come and touch the 90 line level, and then price must come and close below the 80 line level. So that is your first confirmation for a sell trade. Now on the MACD, guys, let me just show you maybe on this thing, on a clean chart. Remember, if you are to sell, let's say price is on a downtrend like this, price is trending downwards. If you are to sell, guys, the best places to sell is right on these pullbacks. Those are the best areas where you can enter the trade. After the pullback, you enter the trade. After the pullback, you enter the trade. And that is where the MACD comes in, because what happens on the MACD is this. Let's say, let's say this is the 0 line of the MACD. And let's say price is moving downward like this. What you will have on the MACD is that price is going to be on a downward histogram, and then you are going to see price coming to be above the 0 line and price coming down, okay, coming down and coming to be above the 0 line and then coming back down again. So what you have right here, these pullbacks reflect these pullbacks that you have on the main chart. So that is where you use the MACD to identify the pullbacks for best entries. Right here, let me just show you. You wait for price to come and touch the 9 line level, and then you wait for price to be above the 20 line level. And then remember, this is the MACD. It was on the downward part. And for you to buy, you have to wait for the MACD to come and close above the 0 line. Then you know that this area right here was the pullback that you have right here. So that is where you enter the trade right there after price has closed above the MACD. Okay, I hope I'm making sense, guys. Let's just pick another pair at random. Okay, what you have right here, price touched the 90 line level right there, and then right there it came to close below the 80 line level. Okay, so right there it closed below the 80 line level. Now what we have to wait for is for a pullback, because we want to find a perfect sell entry. What we want to wait for is for a pullback in price so that we can enter the trade somewhere there, and that pullback is going to be reflected on the MACD. So from here, see that price was on the lower part of the zero line. So I waited for price to make that small pullback, and then when price began to come below right there, that is where I took the sell trade. That is where I took the sell trade. So I took the sell trade there when price was beginning to come on the lower part of the zero line on the MACD. Okay, let's just pick another pair. Let's say this one. Did we look at this one? I think we looked at this one. Let's just take the first one. Okay, what happened? Price touched the 90 line level right there, and then right there on the MACD it was below the zero line, so you would have to wait for this pullback on the MACD. You wait for this pullback, and then when price is coming back below the zero line level on the MACD, that is where you take the sell trade, because it reflects that price is now moving downward after that pullback, because that is where you want to find a sell trade. You don't want to find a sell trade there, because this pullback is going to make you to panic. Okay, so it is like that. It is like that. When price was coming to be below the zero line level there, that is where I took the trade. That is where I took the trade there. Okay, so it is like that, guys. It is like that. For the zoom level, guys, I don't consider the zoom level much. I just zoom out if I want to see certain things. For example, if I want to see the trend, I zoom out, and I zoom in if I want to see what is happening. So for the zoom level, I don't mind it, but for the time frame, this is on the 5-minute time frame. It works best on the 5 minutes time frame. And for signals, guys, on Telegram, let me show you. I do share signals, guys, and the signals are really good. You can come to this free channel to watch my trades for each and every day, how the signals are performing in the signal channel. So this was today. Okay, this was also today. Yesterday I had 6 signals. This was the signal, that was the signal, that was the signal. Okay, so it's just like that, guys. You can come here and check how my signal group is performing. That is, if you are working, you don't have time for trading, and you just want to take signals, so you can come there. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Much love for you guys. I wish you the best. Thank you.